Okay, so I'll be giving you a very brief introduction or tutorial of NAP 2 assignment. And the main idea, of course, is get you to understand map projections. Map projections, and I want to go through with you about the steps to finish the projecting one map layer. Okay, so again, for catalog, that's where you want to handle all your files, right? Well, handle all your files. And say 4 tabs. If you want to look for files on your computer, drives, you can click on computer, right? This PC, you'll be able to find the Google Drive and find your drive, or find your local hard drive here, right? So next, okay, the folders. All right, folders. We can always link or collect to a folder so that it's faster. It's faster for us to work on on files from one folder. Right click on it, add folder connections, and okay. So you have your folder on your Google Drive, and I have mine on my local drive, my book. Okay, right. Just click collect to it. Right, so now you can see it here, click on the triangle here and level 2, right? And all the layers are here. And again, when you play with that layers for this course, always use ArcGIS Pro instead of using the file explorer provided by the system, right? To avoid the potential errors or mistakes, right? So what else we want to do? Okay, and okay, so and the databases, and okay, so this because you created lab 2 geodatabase, right? So the database is here, and all the relevant files saved in this geodatabases can be viewed here. And for now, it's empty, right? Nothing. And the maps, right? So this is the main body of the map, right? Main body of map. If you have several maps, and then we'll see the maps here. We'll see the map here, right? See the map here, right? So that's what we want to see. The toolbox, just ignore it. Normally, the toolbox you will be dealing with it when you take a GIS course. Okay, so load the which file or geopolitical. Okay, just click and hold your mouse, the left key, and drag it there, and of course, so you can always remove the topographic layer, right? And then next, you will want to apply the map projections, right? I have the geoprocessing tab here, but if you don't, click on Analysis and Tools, right? And then find the projection tool. Type in project data management tool, and click on it. Input data set, word political. Output data set, what I say in the instructions. Double click. Okay, so save it as Mercator. Okay, save as Mercator. And by default, you see here by default, it's been saved in Lab2 geodatabase. That's by default. And just input the name here, Mercator. And click on save. Output coordinate system. You can okay, so click on, of course, you don't want to select from current map because if that's the case, you want to change the map projection, right? You want to click on the globe here. Change select globe here, and from the box here, you want to select projected coordinate system GCS. Basically, of course, GCS, but of course, no projection, right? It's PCS, projected coordinate system. You will be looking for the types projection for the world, and then look for Mercator world. Mercator world. Right, click OK. And then click on Run. Right. Now, the created layers being added automatically. Do you see any differences? The answer is no. If I uncheck it, right? It's no. Or even we can even change colors. You can even change. Okay, I'm change blank. Right. No, right? So to show the impacts of projection on the just that layer, we need to insert a new map. Right? We need to insert a new map. Click on Insert, a new map. Now my map is here. Now because we will include the Mercator projection layer here, Mercator. So we just change the name to Mercator, right? And remove this layer and go to catalog. Now you see here the recently created layers listed under database lab2 GeoDB, right? Just add it here. Now it's a difference. Okay, click on the map again. Right, click map again. Uncheck. So that's order political. That's Mercator. Right, it's a big difference. Big difference. Look at the size of the contacting. Look at the size of contacting. And why the map looks like that, of course, make sure you understand the properties, general properties of the Mercator projection. Okay, so you will be doing or apply map projections or different map projections to the same layer for a few times. Right, so what I mentioned in the instructions, you will apply cylindrical equal area projection, equal distance conic projection, Robinson, world respectively name these maps as cylindrical, equidistant, and Robinson accordingly, and save them in the Lab2 geodatabase. That's a lot of things when you work on one GIS project, right? So you want to save all your analytical results or create newly created GIS layers in the same geodatabase, which is in this case lab2.gdb. And of course, you will be asked to finish a table and for question 1, and then question 2. There are tables too. So you will be extract properties, projecting properties. Right, so right-click on Mercator in Contents and select Properties. Where's the special reference? Display, did I? Yeah, source, okay, source. Click on source. Right, and click on special reference. Right, so Mercator world, Mercator, blah blah, false easting, false northern, and of course you will understand what is false northern, what is for false easting after the main lecture about map projection on Tuesday. Central meridian 0, standard parallel 0, which is equator. Central meridian 0, which is the prime meridian pass through the old Greenwich Observatory in UK. Right, in UK, and so degrees. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So a spheroid. You see here, a spheroid is being used to represent the Earth. Right. So you'll want to extract some information from here, from special reference, as I show you here. And to finish the other portion of the tables, you will need to get information from national notes, from textbook, or from any internet sources. Make sure to rewrite the sentences, right, to avoid the problem of plagiarism. Okay.